Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you or I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted data on your PS4. So we have three fixes right here. So the first one is to delete the corrupted data manually. So the commonest reason why you receive the error message is that some file related to your game gets corrupted. So removing them is the most direct way to fix the issue. So what you can do is to go to your settings and then tap onto your system management and then go to save data and then media player. And then step 2, enter into the media player folder and there should be a corrupt data saved file that shows up. And then press the options button and then delete the saved corrupt data file. And now, lastly, exit and then reopen the media player app. So remember that you can always pause this video and do the processes at your own time. Next fix is to delete the downloaded and corrupted PS4 files and then re-download them. So the downloaded file was not installed in the system properly, so it is likely that the data has been corrupted during the download process. So here are the steps to do that. First is to delete the downloaded file, and on the PS4 go to your notifications and then go to your downloads and then select the content. Step 2 is then press the options button on your controller and then delete the downloaded content, and then lastly to retry downloading the file. So that is for the fix number 2. And then the third fix and the last fix is to rebuild PS4 database to fix the corrupted data. So as mentioned before, that rebuilding a database will do a defrag on the PS4, which can solve a whole host of issues on the PS4 and fix corrupted data. So the first step or the steps in here to do that is to connect your PS4 controller to the console with a USB cable. And then next you can press and hold the power button and on your PS4 console until you hear the second beep. So next is to then release the button. Your PS4 will be in safe mode and then select 5 rebuild database with your controller. So it should be at the 5th number, this rebuild database with your controller. And then that is all for this video, and remember that you can always go back to the video or even post the video and do the processes at your own time. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.